Making money on the internet is possible, it's very doable. Anyone can do it, but you have to ask yourself these questions when you're looking at ways to make money online. And if you're even already making money online or in the industry, ask yourself these questions. Does it make sense? So when you're looking at any amount of information, does it make sense? When I see my first network marketing compensation plan in 2013, it made sense. I didn't know how I was going to get to the solution. I didn't know how hard it was, but it made sense. Does it fit your income and your income goals? Does it fit your income goals? When you start looking at the compensation plan and they start saying how much you make when you refer someone or you sell a product, is it going to get you where you want to be? If you want to quit your job, is it going to get you there in a nice amount of time? Realistically, they say give it 90 days, etc. But with social media, if you're putting in the work, you can really start seeing some success in a short amount of time. But is this company going to allow you to get there? If you're only making $5 per sale, let's just be honest. Is it going to replace your income in any amount of time? If you're making $1,100 a week, how hard would it be to replace your income with a product like that? And next is, does it go with what you want? Where do you want to be in the next 90 days? Is this going to take you here? Is the product or service something that you can be passionate about so you can show that passion to other people? And do I really want it is really where I want to focus on for the rest of this video. Do I really want it? A lot of you think you want to quit your job. A lot of you think you want a business. A lot of you think you want the finer things, but you don't really want it. If you're saving 50 videos per hour on making money online, but you're not implementing anything in these videos, do you really want it? If you know your situation isn't where you want it to be and you just keep scrolling, do you really want to get out of what you're going through? If you're struggling in your business and you're at a stop and you just don't understand why you aren't getting leads and sales, are you going to the people that are getting leads and sales? Are you paying attention to what they do? Are you studying your niche? Are you studying your industry? A lot of the times, no, it's all ego. You see a person and you're like, hey, he's too young. I don't want to take advice from him. Or you see someone in another company that's getting the success you want and you're like, I don't want to show him that I'm struggling or her that I'm struggling, and that's just going to stop your business. I've been in all these different places. That's why I can relate on so many levels. I've been doing this since I was 18. I am 29. I've worked full time. I've worked part time doing this. I've not worked at all doing this. I've been at every position that any of you can be at when it comes to a business. No family believing in you. No one supporting your business. To a few people supporting your business. To a few people believing in you. To strangers believing in you. To strangers buying your products and services. I've been at all levels of discomfort and adversity. So do you really want it? So next, I'm going to show you guys, I have a step-by-step way that you guys can work with me. Or you can DM me on Facebook, wherever you're seeing this video, and I can make you a personalized plan for free.